He was talking in a room much like this over 100 years ago to about a third of the amount of people in this room. And guess what? That's all the chiropractors there were in the world. That's all there were. And he was talking to them and giving the message of what chiropractic is then. Just like I hope to give the... BJ's in the house. BJ's in the hizzy. How tripped out was that?
May I have your attention, please?
No.
A fire alarm has been reported in this area. Please walk to the nearest exit and leave the building.
We're not doing it. Everybody just stay here. Hell yes. When you start listening to that stuff, shut this crap off. Oh my God, it's a towering inferno. Sit down and relax. God almighty, please.
May I have your attention, please?
No.
A fire alarm has been reported in this area. Please walk to the nearest exit.
Everybody just relax.
Do not use the elevator.
Everybody just relax, okay? Just keep going. Jason, take a look out there. You smell smoke? Wendy, make sure they understand we're not paying for the room today. See, there's all kinds of great things that happen when sirens go off. You guys, this was purposeful.
May I have your attention, please? A fire alarm has been reported in this area. Please walk to the nearest exits and
Wendy,
leave the
did you
building.
pull the fire alarm?
Use the elevator.
I was trying to make sure that everybody was awake. I thought this would help with that.
Huh. Well, I don't know. I just do not believe in this stuff. I just don't believe in alarms or anything like this. How do you guys feel about it? You kind of getting nervous? This is actually a joke.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The alarm has been investigated and was found to be a false alarm.
Oh, you're shitting me.
We apologize for the inconvenience. Again, the alarm you just heard was determined to be a false alarm.
We want to run outside. Thank you, BJ Palmer, for testing us. And Jesus Christ. Okay, is everybody...
Work better than cappuccino.
Winning? We're all winning. Huh? You really don't know what's in this cup, do you?